Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to forward multiple emails at once in Outlook. This is a fantastic time-saving feature when you need to share several related messages with a colleague or transfer important conversations to another recipient without having to forward them individually. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox is populated with all your messages before proceeding to the next step. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane and look for the emails you're trying to forward. The process of forwarding multiple emails is quite straightforward, but there's a specific technique you need to use. First, locate the emails you wish to forward. They don't necessarily need to be next to each other, but selecting consecutive emails will make the process smoother. Here's the key part. Hold down your Shift key on your keyboard and click on each email you want to include. This allows you to select multiple emails at once rather than just one at a time. You'll see them all highlighted as you click, confirming they've been selected. After you've selected all the emails you wish to forward, look at the top part of your screen. You'll find a section labeled Respond, which contains various email action options. Within this section, you'll see a Forward option. Go ahead and click on Forward to initiate the forwarding process. A new email composition window will appear on your screen. At first glance, it might look like a regular new email, but if you look closely under the subject line field, you'll notice something important. All your selected emails have been attached to this new message. These emails will be forwarded as attachments from this email you're composing, keeping everything organized and easy for the recipient to access. Now, all you have to do is fill in the essential details. Add in the recipient's email address in the To field. You can add multiple recipients here if needed by separating their addresses with semicolons. Then add in a subject line for your email that clearly describes what you're sending. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and confirmed all the correct emails are attached, hit send, and that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple emails at once in Outlook, saving yourself valuable time and keeping related messages together in one convenient package. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.